Hello my dear students, myself Muskan Khatwani is here to share the PDF of book exercise and question answers of Chapter 8 Windstorm and Cyclones for class 7th from the book Cordova Learning Science. All these book exercise and question answers, though we have already discussed in our online classes, but again I am sharing it with you. If anybody has missed that class due to any connectivity issue or any other reason, so just for them I'm again sharing it here. It is from the Cordova book. This is the very first page for class 7th, chapter 8, Windstorms and Cyclone. Now come to the next page, which has the oral questions, science quiz questions, worksheets, fill-ups, MCQs, very short answer type questions, etc. This is the second page. This is the third one. Hope this will be beneficial for you. It has short answer type 1 questions, short answer type 2 questions. This is the next page. Turning the page again. This is the last one. Hope all of you will take advantage from this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.